three results related to the planar graph. The first result is if G is a connected and a planar as well as a simple graph, then in that case, number of edges is always less than equal to 3 times of number of vertices minus 6, where the vertices count must be greater than equal to 3. And the second result is if the graph is planar, connected as well as a simple, then definitely there exists a vertex of the degree not exceeding 5. It means in a graph there must be a one vertex whose degree is less than equal to 5, provided the graph is planar. The third result is if the graph is planar as well as there exists no circuit of length 3 with the minimum number of vertices as a 3, in that case the number of edges is less than equal to 2 times of vertices minus 4. Now, how these results are important and how we can apply these results in order to prove that the graph is non-planar, let's explore that one. The first result is if the graph is planar with the minimum number of vertices as 3, in that case the number of edges is less than equal to 3b minus 6. So these two statements are equivalent. So this result also says that if the number of edges is greater than 3b minus 6 and the graph is connected as well as a simple with a minimum number of vertices as 3, in that case the graph is always non-planar. With the help of this result, we can prove that K5 is a non-planar graph. So K5 is a complete graph with the 5 vertices. So total number of vertices in K5 is 5 and the total number of edges in a K5 is n into n minus 1 by 2, where n indicates the number of vertices, that is equal to 5 into 4 by 2, that is equal to 10. So in K5, total number of vertices are 5 and edges are 10. Otherwise, you can construct the K5 in order to calculate the number of edges, or in order to understand how to remember this formula, a link is provided in the description, that is on the quick review on a simple graphs. Now you can check whether this inequality holds or not. So number of edges are 10. So left hand side of the inequality E is equal to 10 and the right hand side, that is 3v minus 6, that is equal to 3 into 5 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So you can check it, the left hand side is greater than right hand side, strictly greater than right hand side, that is a 10 is strictly greater than 9. So with the help of this statement, we can conclude that K5 is non-planar graph. The second statement was a G is a planar graph, then definitely there exists a one vertex whose degree is less than equal to 5. So we can also find its equivalent statement for the non-planar graph. It says that if G is connected in simple graph and the degree of each vertex is greater than 5, means if the degree of each vertex is greater than equal to 6, definitely graph is non-planar. But make sure the degree of each vertex, that's a very important. So degree of each vertex is greater than equal to 6, then the clearly graph is non-planar. But if there exists a one vertex whose degree is less than 5, then we cannot say anything because it is a one-way result. If it is a planar, definitely there exists a vertex whose degree is less than 5 or equal to 5 but cannot exceed the 5. But if the degree of one vertex is less than 5, then we cannot say the graph is planar. But we can say that if the degree of each vertex is greater than equal to 6, definitely the graph is non-planar. The third result is if the graph is planar and connected, with the minimum number of vertices as a 3 and it has no circuit of a length 3, in that case we have the inequality in form of edges that is less than equal to 2 times of number of vertices minus 4. Statement 3 is again one way result. So if the graph is planar with this condition, definitely we will get this result. Now we can also rephrase the sentence in its equivalent statement for the non-planar graph. It says that if graph is connected simple one with the minimum number of vertices as a 3, including there is a no circuit of a length 3, as well as the number of edges are strictly greater than twice of number of vertices minus 4, in that case the graph is definitely non-planar. Again, this is a one-way result. If this inequality hold, definitely the graph is non-planar. But if this inequality holds, we cannot say that the graph is planar. Therefore, we have taken its equivalent statement to show that the graph is non-planar. But if the graph is planar, just you can give the proof of the statement by its representation, that is a planar representation. So with the help of this statement, we can prove that K33, that is a complete bipartite graph, is a non-planar graph. So this is how the complete bipartite graph look like. So in this case, the total number of vertices are 6 and edges is equal to the product of these two, that is 9. Now we need to identify whether the number of edges is greater than 2v minus 4. The number of edges in this case is 9. So just calculate this form, that is 2 into v, total number of vertices are 6 minus 4, that is equal to 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. So 9 is strictly greater than 8. So inequality holds in this case. So this implies G is a non-planar graph with the help of the statement.